का कूली लिया है गाइस, जो मेरा सामान ढोने के लिए आया है। We're traveling to Azerbaijan and today is our flight. This is our outfit for traveling. I'm excited for this trip. Yay! Hi guys, so just a little update. I've sat on my plane. हमारी connecting flight है from Bahrain to Dubai and then Dubai to Baku. So it's just 1 hour flight from Bahrain to Dubai. Very short. So let's see how that goes. On our way to second flight, guys. The car for the day. Hello, how are you?
सब लेदर की सीटें हैं देखो। हाँ?
कॉफी रखने के लिए
मिनिस्टर मिनिस्टर ऐसे बैठते हैं। जाने दीजिए।
At this point I was recording everything and I was also thinking like if I could record everything, but then few things I also need to see through my eyes and not everything can be recorded, and that's a guilt actually. And we reached finally to our hotel and this whole area was filled with lot of hotels.
So we reached hotel, guys. Let me show you my room. So ये है हमारा छोटा सा रूम. This is the washroom. Yeah. Hello, how are you guys? Like, subscribe कर देना भाई. चलो आगे दिखाते हैं. So this is the bed that I'm gonna be there. ये हमारा टेबल है. Coffee area, cupboard, and that is it. Let's. कुछ है इधर दिखाने लायक. और पीछे से व्यू ये है. ये क्या है? टर्बो होटल. एंड दिस इज हाउ द व्यू इज. अब हम होंगे फ्रेशन अप, गेट रेडी और फिर जाएंगे अपने डे 1 टूर पे. सो लेट्स गो.
So now we are heading to the Baku city and you will see a lot of statues in memorial of their good people around who helped them and in their past and all of those things.
Walking on the streets of Baku. Baku circuit guys. यहीं पे Formula 1 की रेस होगी 19th को.
Next up we are going to see this very beautiful palace. I think it was Ismailia Palace and this used to be Muslim Charity Society.
It happened in Baku city from Bronze Age time.
Okay.
Just imagine that from Bronze Age time till today, we have a lot of buildings, architectural buildings inside the city.
And abhi us palace ko they have made it as a part of university, I guess.
Normally oxen for abundance and lions for poverty.
So that was actually the gate from where you enter the old Baku city. And as soon as you enter you'll see this is the area that you see at the first, and जो सामने जो gate दिख रहा है ना, from there that you take an entry. और यहाँ पे I was feeling good so I recorded myself. और मुझे यूरोपियन स्टाइल ऐसे हाउसेस बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. लाइक आई थिंक उनका आर्किटेक्चर बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. एंड यू सी दिस ब्राउन गेट्स एंड एवरीथिंग, दैट्स मेनली लाइक रिच पीपल यूजली डू दैट. ये है मेरिडियन टावर जहाँ से वो बहुत like you reach on the level and you see the exterior view, but वो हम आगे जाके भी देखेंगे. So this is the abad जहाँ पे old age में कैसा होता था, like all these men and women they used to like separately go gather at one place, do their washroom stuff and bath stuff together. That was I think what this place was. Now they converted into like a shop stuff. So yeah. Then this is the Mughal Club. This is one of the famous. So we had a tour guide. उसने हमें वीडियो दिखाया था जहाँ पे one of the Indian family they had celebrated their 25th anniversary. और inside से इसका व्यू इतना सुंदर लगता है. You can already see it. It was so amazing. And then we tried there. इसको शायद से गुता बोलते हैं वहाँ पे. It's like मैदे का वो रोटी जैसे बेल के, and then topping you can decide. So non-veg people had a lot of options like egg and everything. But veg के लिए we went ahead with आलू and cheese. So वो हमने try किया था, but अच्छा लगा. मैं चीज़ वाला तो काफ़ी नमक हो गया था, but rest it was good. एंड वहाँ पे पोमेग्रेनेट बहुत फेमस है, तो माई मॉम ट्राइड द जूस एंड इतना खट्टा जूस मैंने लाइफ में कभी नहीं पिया है पोमेग्रेनेट का. बट या, सो जस्ट वॉकिंग ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स एंड देन वी हेडेड टूवर्ड्स अ मॉस्क, एंड वो मॉस्क को उन्होंने एज अ म्यूज़ियम कन्वर्ट कर दिया है. सो उसके रिलेटेड चीज़ें जो भी थे वहाँ पे उन्होंने प्लेस कर दिए थे, एंड इट वाज लाइक प्रिटी वन फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, एंड आई थिंक आई फॉरगॉट टू लाइक रिकॉर्ड आउटसाइड से कह सकते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट दिस वाज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट बिकॉज यहाँ पे आई थिंक इन टोटल मोर देन लाइक 9,000 बुक्स है फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, एंड इट्स कॉल्ड आई थिंक मिनिएचर बुक्स है. द टाइनीस्ट बुक दैट she could found she plays it. So I think for Hinduism वहाँ पे हनुमान चालीसा थी, and this is also a book. The dot that you see, like the smallest dot, that is also a book, and वो magnify glass से देखना पड़ता है. Then this was one of the social activists. I think he was a poet when he used to like describe the rights about all of the stuff through his sarcasm poems, all that kind of stuff. Then we roamed around and I went to this beautiful spot, and यहाँ हमने इतने amazing photos आए थे, like we took a lot of photos. Then we roamed around and this was very nice friendly spot for couples जहाँ पे वो बैठ के they were having their time, and there was one of the guy who was playing piano. Now we'll see a carpet museum. मतलब हमने बाहर से ही देखा, and you can see this exactly looks like carpet because हमारा plan है to see that in somewhere else as well. So we reached the station and took the funicular train, and this train is driverless. Yeah, मेरा first time experience था to get into this, and it was fabulous, amazing, one of the best technology I think. So right after that you will see all the flags, ये जो उनके past histories में they have helped them to fight the war. This was basically a small grave area जहाँ पे कुछ soldiers के नाम थे, कुछ soldiers के grave भी थे in respect of you know what they have done. And that was the flaming tower which was very famous, और उसका मज़ा रात में ही आता है because of the light show. This was the governor building around it. फिर वो चलते चलते you will reach to this point, and this was the wholesome amazing thing.
But so freaking tired और बहुत घूमा, and now we're going to go for dinner. देखते कुछ इंडियन मिला तो. And plus being a vegetarian थोड़ा disadvantage होता है that you don't get vegetarian food everywhere. So let's see what are we going to have and today with that. Hi guys. So yesterday we were so freaking tired. हम बाहर गए थे खाना खाने, and then we came back to the hotel, and everybody was so freaking tired that we didn't do anything. We just ended up sleeping and then woke up next morning, which is now. So I'm just gonna end the day one vlog. I have hope that you enjoyed all this while. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next day. Till then, take care. Bye.